What I'm about to show you is the most easiest, quickest, and still very glamorous makeup look that you can do easily on Eid. So keep watching this video. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. So in today's video, I am going to show you a very easy makeup look that you can do it in under 10 minutes quickly, and it will still look fabulous and it will still look very put together. So there is one thing I am subtracting from the makeup look. So if you want to know what that subtraction is to make your life easy and my life easy as well, then keep watching this video. Let me just push my hair back, and now let's get started. The one thing that we never have during such occasions, especially Eid, is time, because you have to wake up early, you have to brush everything, get dressed. So makeup is the last thing on everyone's mind, especially mine. Trust me. But this makeup look, I do it in under 10 minutes and it still looks very nice, very put together, and I don't have to put a lot of effort in it. So now let me show you how you can do it. The very important step is a good primer. I am using the Good Grip primer by Glam. I love this primer because it keeps my makeup set all day long. And since I am on a time budget, I am rushing through with my hands. I'm not using brushes, at least not for my face makeup. So now I'm just going to let the primer set. The next step that I do, which I usually don't skip, I don't skip this step. This is very important, for me at least, is color correcting. So just applying color corrector to the areas where I need it. The problem is that I am not happy with one color corrector, so I am using a contouring shade under my eyes as a color corrector. Then I'm just going to blend it. Again, no brushes, nothing, just my fingers. The step that is non-negotiable, eyebrows. I'm not overdrawing it, I'm just filling in the gaps. That's it. Okay, done. Both the sides, both the eyebrows done. Now the color corrector has all settled down. So I'm applying a little bit of this glow mixer. A little bit, just so my skin glows. Not too much, but just enough. And I'm done. Can you see how glowy my skin looks? This is my new favorite product, I swear. Okay, rushing. Now the next step, foundation. With the foundation, I'm not going overboard. I'm just keeping it to a very bare minimum. And I am rubbing it through. When you apply makeup with your fingers, applying makeup with fingers will actually cut the time in half. Since I'm using my hands a lot, I keep a wet wipe with me so I can rub off all the product that is on my hands. Now the concealer. I am applying concealer to the areas where I color corrected, and I'm just moving as quickly as I can. That's it. For this step, I'm using a blender because I want it to look very seamless. I want this blended into the foundation. So I am using a blender. Setting everything with this matte pressed powder. Now this palette is a lifesaver, I swear, because it has a bronzing shade, it has all the blush on shades and I don't need to actually go get another product. This one product is enough, and honestly, let me show you how I use it in another way as well. So first, a bit on my jawline, because I don't like the double chin I have right now. I need to start losing weight, I swear. I will start it next on the agenda after Ramadan. Weight loss. I know I went over the top with this, but we can always go on with a beauty blender at the end, a bit on the sides and a little on my nose. Now here's the good part. I'm taking the same bronzing shade and applying it to my eyelids as well. All over. Not just a little, all over. I could have done this with a smaller eyeshadow brush, but since on occasions I don't have that much time, usually because I have to get ready, do everything around the house as well, so I like to do this. You can try this as well. This is an angled brush. Just keep the higher side on the top, take a little shadow on the higher end and just apply it. Tap, 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 tap. On the side as well, tap, 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 tap. Done. Since it has all the shades that I enjoy applying for blush on. So I am taking, this hair is bothering me. Okay, I'm actually mixing two shades. I'm taking this and this and applying it right here. I like a little bit of blush on my nose as well, so I am doing exactly that, and a little on my chin. This can be a bit controversial, but I am highlighting my face before applying eyeshadow. So I am taking this highlighter right here and applying it to my cheekbones first, a little on my nose and my lips, and with the same brush I'm applying the remaining onto my lips. The face products all done. Now the eyes. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using only these. This eyeshadow palette is amazing, and these two brushes will do the job. I'm taking this eyeshadow right here, tapping off the excess and applying it to the outer corner, just to define it a bit. Nothing over the top, nothing crazy, nothing like that. Taking this same eyeshadow, pinching my brush a bit, I am applying it to the lower lash line as well and smoking it out just a little bit. Since I want to match it to my dress, so I am taking this shimmer shade, just this one, and applying it to the lid area. This is a gem I found and I am loving it, I swear. I have been using it non-stop for formals, casuals, everywhere I go I have been using it. This is an eyeshadow topper and it is in the shade Treasure. I love it, I swear. It is so sparkly. Can you see? It is so perfect. Gently tapping it all over my lid. This is something I feel. I feel if you add a bit of a glitter or a little metallic shades to your eyeshadow, it instantly lifts up the look. Instead of pushing it down, it actually looks very glamorous. Honestly, I'm highlighting the inner corner with the same highlighter that I used on the lid area for an extra boom. Now here's the thing. I feel black eyeliner can actually make or break your look. So when I'm in a hurry, I choose to actually not apply black eyeliner. Instead, I opt for a kajal or black eyeliner, and I like to just apply it to the upper waterline Can you see the difference? It instantly looks better. And outer corner of the lower lash line. With the black eyeliner, I like to add a nude pencil to brighten up the lower lash line. Last step of the look, mascaras. I prefer to add 2 mascaras to boost up my lashes rather than using false lashes, because if you're not an expert, false lashes can be time consuming. First, I'm going with this mascara, which will give me volume, and it is perfect for my lower lashes as well. I love this mascara because it actually separates all my lashes. When I apply the second mascara, which will actually make them look crazy volumed and will lengthen them as well, I don't have to worry about them be clumping together. Now this is something I usually do after finishing the eye look. I just like to clean everything from under the eye. It's actually the same technique as baking, but instead of using a baking powder, I am using a press powder. Now for the lipstick, I am not doing anything crazy, but just going in with my favorite lip combination. This lip liner is by Glam. The color is beautiful and it is the most smoothest, the most awesomest lip liner that I own, and I love it. Now next I'm using the lipstick from Medora, and it is in the shade Peach Silk. It is such a beautiful shade. Plus it's almost similar to one of the MAC lipsticks. I think I've seen a reel about it. Can you tell me what MAC lipstick this is equivalent to? Medora lipsticks are so amazing. They glide on so smoothly. Plus the shades are so amazing. My mother used to use them and now I am using them because they are honestly the best. I want to keep the lipstick on almost for as long as possible. So let me show you what I do. This hack I learned on TikTok and I have been doing it with all my lipsticks. Tissue, brush, press powder. Press powder. Same brush, same press powder. Apply the lipstick again. A little, not too much. Let me show you the magic. No transfer. The lipstick is literally transfer proof right now. It will stay on for hours and I don't have to retouch it at least for 4 hours. Amazing, isn't it? I'm done with the entire face. Now the last step, setting spray. This is again another hidden gem that I found on Glam and it is so amazing. The setting spray locks in my makeup and can go on for 8 hours or maybe more. I haven't tried more, but 8 hours I've tried and my makeup did not go anywhere, honestly. Let me just finish my look and I'll be right back. So this is my final look. I did this look in under 10 minutes. I did it twice for iftar as well, 2 iftar parties that I had to go to, and everyone complimented how put together this makeup was looking, and it went with almost all my dresses, especially the lip combo and the eyes obviously, and you can try it as well for this Eid. And do share your recreated makeup looks in my comment box. I would love to see how it turned out for you. Eid Mubarak in advance to all my Muslim subscribers. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.